2, action.
Hello, I'm Scarlett, and today I'm gonna open 1 egg and 1 blind box. So here we go. Oh, we got a whole bunch of people. We got Pavi and some Hello Kitty, some from Frozen and Hello Kitty. How cute! Look at that.
That's great. All right, now what's in the box?
You can see what's in the box. I'll open it for you. These things are so hard to get out. Here he is.
Who is he?
He is Skellington. Let's take a little look at the back of the box. It says you can get Sally too in that face, and yeah, this one. So I got these at Toys R Us yesterday, and they're really cool. I like them. So thanks for watching. Bye.